Key fob battery replacement. The key fob uses a CR2032 lithium button cell with a voltage of 3 volts and a capacity of 225 mAh. If the key fob operation becomes inconsistent, it indicates the battery is weak and needs replacement. Use a small flathead screwdriver to open the key fob rear frame. Insert the screwdriver into the slot provided on the cell cover and rotate it in anti-clockwise direction to free it and open. Gently remove the old battery out and discard it. Insert a new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces upward. Insert the cell cover, gently rotate it in clockwise direction to lock and fix the key fob battery rear cover. Once closed, check the remote's functionality to ensure proper operation.